footage right here that you're looking at, I just want to say that it is extremely difficult to be sexy. It is extremely difficult to just exude sex appeal on command as an entertainer. So, I mean, clearly, look at this. Like, I look awkward, okay? Having sex appeal for the cameras is not my talent, but it is Cardi B's, and she capitalizes on that. I know you know what I'm talking about. Anyways, until next time, guys. Bye. Hey YouTube, it's your girl Dr. Ciri here, coming at you with another video. In today's video, I am going to be putting my own little spin on Cardi B's makeup from the W.A.P video. Her makeup was super pretty. Erica Perlman did an amazing job using Pat McGrath products to create just a dope pink look. I'm gonna try to recreate it with purple since it's my favorite color. If you would like to see how I created this look, just keep on watching. But before I show you how I created this look, I'm gonna need you to click that subscribe button and turn on your notifications bell so that way you never miss an upload from me. And I also want you to click the link in my description box to Kiara Flowers' page. This video is being done in collaboration with her. She is another small YouTuber that focuses on hair and makeup, kind of like I do. She is going to be recreating Meg The Stallion's look from the W.A.P video. All right, let's get into this makeup look. Cardi's makeup in W.A.P was bomb. Like, it was bomb. Erica Perlman, I think, is her makeup artist, and she did an amazing job.
I'm gonna try to recreate the look, but with purple instead of pink.
I'm gonna start off with my Versali Facetune blur. Gotta do how those Instagram girls do. A lot came out. I normally don't put this much, but we'll be extra blurred today. So what did y'all think of the W.A.P video and the W.A.P song? Actually, I feel like the song got so much criticism, but I feel like that's because people just be hating on Cardi. I saw one comment where someone said, we have a problem with fatherless children already. Why is she encouraging men's pull-out game to be weak? What? I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty eyeshadow primer
and put on the eye.
The things Cardi talks about are true. She may be naked while she does it, but the things she says are life lessons, universal lessons. I'm gonna be using the It's My Pleasure palette from COLLAB. But the makeup that Erica Perlman used was from Pat McGrath. I don't have Pat McGrath. I'm using what I got. Back to what I was saying. The things that Cardi B talks about are true.
Cardi was talking about how she got a guy to pay her rent for 6 months. And she said, you know, dude be like, oh, I got a wife. I just want to have a good time. And she said, yeah, and I got bills and I just want them to be paid.
Fair exchange is not a robbery, people. Everyone's benefiting here. While everyone is upset with Cardi for putting out the type of content and music and entertainment that she puts out, if you really wanted that type of entertainment to stop and cease to exist, instead of coming after Cardi, go after the men who consume it, the people who consume it. There wouldn't be a market for it if there weren't buyers for it. Same thing with pornography. People would stop making pornography if people weren't watching it and consuming it and buying it. So target those people, criticize those people. Those are the ones you should be shaming. Like, why are you watching that? But no, you want to shame the people who are making money off of it. Y'all stop buying sidekicks and nextails and they stopped making them now, didn't they? I know you see my point. This might be too dark. I don't know. This is the Violets palette from Juvia's Place. Let Cardi do Cardi. Cause Cardi ain't bothering y'all. The other thing people were hardcore criticizing her about, she doesn't cook and she doesn't clean, but she still got a ring. I don't cook and clean
makeup is such an ugly process. I feel like it doesn't look good until everything is together. And eyeshadow especially, like, you don't really know how good it looks until you put on eyeliner.
I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in dark brown. And we'll get these eyebrows together. But yeah, so those are all my 2 cents about Cardi, and not that my opinion matters. Let's be clear about that. No one's opinion really matters. I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. I went to put my eyeliner on off camera because I don't do eyeliner well on camera. I use my Clinique Pretty Easy liner to get that extreme Cardi B wing. The next thing I'm going to do is go in with my foundation, and I'll probably speed through this part.
And all you need is 1 pump of this foundation. It is full coverage.
Cardi B had like a full, what it appeared to be full coverage. I know she had on the Pat McGrath foundation, which is supposed to give you a skin-like finish. So it's not like super full coverage. I think it claims to be a medium buildable coverage. But on Cardi B, it looked like, well, I mean, I guess they built the coverage to look full because she looked like she had on a full coverage foundation. And she was very, very matte. I don't even think she had a highlighter or glitter or anything on. She was very, very matte. Next, I'm going to take my Huda Beauty concealer in the shade Graham Cracker. So let me know down in the comments what y'all think about everything that is going on with the W.A.P video and the criticism that it's getting, and also the accolades and the awards that it's getting. And I would love to know what y'all think about Cardi's brand in general. Do you support it? Do you not support it? Ooh. I love me some Huda. Huda gets you glam. Like, oh, and I have not used this concealer with the Huda foundation together in a really long time. But this looks really good. But yeah, I would love to know. Now I just got through saying opinions don't matter, but I would love to know what you all think. I think she's very smart to be capitalizing on what she's capitalizing on. She's good at what she does.
She's good at creating these catchy songs that people listen to. And then whether you like her or not, you're listening to her music.
There's no way that those 10 million people that watched that video were all just fans. There were people who were watching it to see what it was about. And that still counts. That's still consumption. That's still coin. Okay, I'm going to take my MAC Studio Fix in C3.5. Do y'all see what I mean when I say makeup sometimes can be an ugly process? Like,
in the beginning when I was doing what I was doing with my eyeshadow and all that, you wouldn't have thought that it would have looked like this, right? Like it's a really ugly process.
And I had to learn that early on in my own makeup journey because I just thought I was doing something wrong. Cause I'm like, this is not looking the way I imagined it would look. You don't really see it until the end. You have to trust the process. I think it's coming together. Like I really could have been in the W.A.P video wearing purple. I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Bayesian Gal. And then Cardi had on a like light pinky blush. The only blush I have that has a bit of a purplish tint to it. Like I don't have any mauve blushes. That's what I need, like a mauve-y blush. But I guess I could use Serafina from Juvia's Place with Raisin by MAC. I'm going to take my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in medium tan. Actually, I'm gonna pause recording because I need to go and put my child to sleep. Okay, the baby didn't want to go to sleep, so she is running around behind me, and we're gonna see how this goes. I'm going to take Cork Lip Liner by MAC. I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. What you got, baby? I need to blend this out around the edges of my mouth. For my lash line, I'm going to take the Juvia's Place palette. How come you're not sleeping? And then Cardi didn't have on any liner on her lower lash line at all. So I'm not going to put any liner on my lower lash line.
Let me put these lashes on off camera. I'll be back.
All right, I am back. I did my lashes off camera and I did, yeah, so the only thing I did off camera was eyeliner and lashes because I just have a hard time doing those things on camera with y'all watching me. It's just that your girl gets nervous, okay? And here is the look.
All right, I am going to get changed and yeah, be right back.
So there it is. There's the look. How did I do? Give this video a thumbs up if you think I did a great job. Give it a thumbs down if you think I did a terrible job. Let me know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share this video with someone else you think might enjoy it. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye. Cardi. Hey, listen. When I got the call from the management team that my part got cut out of the W.A.P video, it really hurt my feelings. But it's fine. I have iMovie. I have a camera. I got 200 YouTube subscribers. I got about 3,000 Instagram followers. I could put my own footage out there from the W.A.P video since y'all wanted to cut it.